Hello and welcome back to my channel Create with Lulu. Today I'll be showing you a monthly bullet journal setup idea. If you like these types of videos, please subscribe. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. First off, I'm just going to light a candle so it's nice and cozy, and then we're going to jump right into it. And I will link all the supplies that I'm using down below. For this one, I'm using my gray zebra Mildliner, and I'll be using a ruler, and I'm going to draw my mini calendar out onto a piece of paper first because I want to do kind of like a collaging type of style. So I'm just going to draw all of those lines and then we can cut it out and glue it in. And I had first tried to draw a calendar on the piece of paper, but I didn't really love how it turned out. So this is just a great way to either fix any mistakes, is just to do some collaging, or if you end up not liking how it turned out, then you can just collage over it. Now I am just ripping some paper to glue with like my glue tape stuff, because I don't really like glue, so I really like this tape, and I'll just tape some of that onto this piece of craft paper, and then I'll just stick that on there just to cover the top and to add a little bit more collaging. And now I'm just sticking on the calendar, and then I'm going to use my white gel pen, I'll have it linked down below, to write the first letter of every day of the week. Now I'm using this super cool Faber-Castell Glamorous gold highlighter. It is so cool. I got it from Stationery Pal and I really like it. And so I'm just adding like a little square to all the corners of my little calendar boxes so that I can write the numbers in here. I'm just finishing up writing the numbers on the calendar, and then I'm going to use the same gold highlighter just to highlight some lines on my page here for some important dates. And now I'm just doing a little bit more collaging, so I'm just ripping some more paper to add the title to the top of my important dates section. Now I'm just ripping some paper for my title here at the top. I'm just going to write Feb for February, and you could use this for any month. I'm just choosing to use February for this example. And now I'm just sticking on another piece of craft paper, and I'll just finish it off with some more white gel pen. And now I'm just adding a few stickers here and there. And now I am sticking down a little piece of that lined paper and writing goals for my little goals section for the month. And then I'm taking that same gray marker and just making like multiple lines to make a box shape. And finally, we are moving on to my habit tracker. So I'm just going to do 3 for this page. So I'm going to put 3 down here. So I'm just making 28 circles with the same gray marker. And then each day I do the habit, I will just take a pen and either put a check or an X through the little circle. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. If you have any other video ideas, or if you would like to see more like this, please let me know in the comments down below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!